جام جهانی توی شروع مجدد قرار گرفته الان.
The World Cup U-17 will restart from tomorrow or today. We're happy and glad to be here.
و خیلی امیدواریم به آینده.
We hope to the future.
فردا یک گام خیلی مهم برای رسیدن به آینده موفق.
Tomorrow it's very important step for getting successful careers.
What is Mexico expecting from tomorrow's match? And Mr. Arteaga said, well, we are here to win the match. We know Iran are very strong. They won all 3 matches, even 4-0 against Germany, which was a great performance by the Iranian team. But now we're starting from scratch. It doesn't really matter what happened at the group stage. This is the knockout round, and we are experienced when it comes to knockout rounds. So we will do our best to win tomorrow's match.
We will change our tactics, and we hope that we'll play a better game than that we did against England. Mali team is a very strong team and very good players. I saw the players at the hotel. They are physically bigger than our players. We will do our best and hope to get lucky and get qualified to the next round.
Expecting a great match because from now on there is no more speculation. It's all or nothing. I believe that both teams fully deserve to be here at this round of 16 match. We fully respect Iraq. They are a very strong team, but of course we hope we can win tomorrow's match.